Hello Gemini, welcome to my channel. This is your reading for next 48 hours. We will see your person's energy towards you and what can you expect. Okay. This is for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node. So let's see your person's energy towards you for next 48 hours. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node Spirit. For the people who are going to hear this message for Gemini, their person's energy towards them, please, for next 48 hours. Your person is busy in work, Gemini. Maybe they are going through some financial issues, or your person is someone like who is very hardworking and very ambitious. This person could be expecting some bonus or a promotion, but this person is very focused on their work right now. I'm also getting you could be having argument with your person regarding that, like this person don't have time for you, but just know that this person looks at your pictures often, and I feel this is at night. Like this person likes to watch your pictures, look at your pictures, look at your social media. Your person feels like you are unable to connect with someone else like they are connected with you. I'm also getting like your person see you as someone like you are not afraid to fall in love again. If this was very in and out between you guys, or if you have seen a lot of stuff in your recent past or in a past in general, like you have been hurt, still you don't feel afraid to fall in love again, and this person knows like you want this person, you love this person, and you want to start this again if things are stagnant or there are some issues between you guys. This person also see you as someone like you cannot connect with someone else, like the relationship you both shared, you cannot have that with someone else. For where some of you I'm getting like this person knows like you are even ready for an open relationship with this person, but this is for someone specific. But this person knows like you want to communicate with this person, and you want to confess something, or you just want to confront your person. This person feels like this connection is real, and at the same time this person thinks like this person is a waste of time. Wow. This person, either this person is expecting your apology or this person wants to apologize to you. Now what I'm getting from here is, Gemini, connection is mutual, connection is real, but the thing is this person feels like this is a waste of time. Like you love each other, but could be compatibility issues and something like that this person feels like you guys cannot be together, so this is a waste of time. This person also don't want to argue with you, Gemini, but this person loves you, this person feels the connection with you. Could be dealing with someone who is very practical. So yes, in the feelings too, they are watching you, and this person likes your attention, Gemini. So if you feel that your person is avoiding you, ignoring you, that's just because this person likes your attention, this person wants your attention. This person is watching you, Gemini. And for some of you, I'm getting this person, you could be dealing with someone like who is single, who likes to be single, and you may feel that this person is emotionally independent from you, but just know that this person notices you a lot. This is the strong message I'm getting here, that this person is watching you. And for some of you, I'm getting, you know that like this person stalks you, this person watch you, this person is obsessed with you. I'm also getting like this person likes to spend their money on materialistic stuff, like could be their clothes or something, but someone here feels like the other person overspends, and that doesn't give you real happiness. That's it. Could be their feelings for you, or you could have like felt this way for your person, Gemini. So energies can be switched, just apply to a situation. But this person feels like this person is not up to let anyone to take their advantage or take them so easy. Let it unfold naturally. So this person just want to go with the flow, and this person don't want to put effort or chase you, but this person somehow is chasing you because this person is obsessed with you, Gemini, and this person is watching you. And the stalking energy is very heavy here, but this person also intends to have something from you. So for some of you, I'm getting, if this is about a divorce case, this person want money from you. For others of you, I'm getting, you could be having a lot of money and this person has their eye on that money as well. For others of you, I'm getting, this person want your love. Yes, they are around you. This person is stalking you heavily, Gemini, and for very some of you, not for all, someone here could be bisexual. But just know that this person, your partner, is not in a happy space. Yes, there will be a communication, Gemini, an open communication, and this person will approach you, and because this person wants you, and this person looking at your pictures. So this person will look at your pictures, and this person is almost obsessed with you. As I said, obsessed, they are obsessed with you. I have this card at the bottom. Indeed, this person is obsessed with you, Gemini, and but the spirit is asking you, don't take shit from anyone. If you feel like this person want you, this person, yes, this person want you, this person will express it to you, like this person will have an open communication with you, and this person may even tell you like they like your pictures a lot, like they are habitual to look at your pictures at night when they are free after work, something like that. But anyhow, this person is going to look at your pictures, and because this person wants you, and you are going to have an open communication. So Gemini, for some of you, I'm getting, not for all, like you guys will share some pictures with each other, and could be intimate pictures, could be sex chat. So just apply to the situation, but there is a chance for next 48 hours this person will approach you, and this person will try to seduce you, or you guys will share some intimate pictures with each other because this person wants you. Okay, so this person likes to focus on their work and be quiet when there are arguments. It could be a third party situation for some of you, or this person is falling out of love with you, like is even like for some of you, I'm getting, this person is even trying, like just trying. And I'm also getting like love was there in the situation, and this person do love you, but you could be married to this person or have kids with this person. But I'm getting like this person, if this person is already married to someone else, Gemini, this person avoids that argument, like because this is, they cannot change this fact, and I feel this person is not ready to give you commitment if this person is already married with someone else. Yes, this person feels like you like to dominate others, but this person somehow is very arrogant, like even if you feel like you are dominating, but they are the boss here. Like you love this person, so you can say that you don't want them or you just want a real deal, but eventually this person knows like you just want that connection and love with this person, and you cannot have that with someone else because you are not open to that. But this person feels even if you try, you cannot have that connection with someone else. You are at the crossroads, like you get attention from a lot of people, but the thing is you want success in this relationship with this person only. And yes, you are not afraid to fall in love with this person again, but you hold back. This person also feels you feel very alone without them, and this person feels alone too, but this person is worried. I'm also getting, if you are not getting intimate with this person is worried about that as well, if you are holding back from something. This person wants fun, Gemini. You could be blocked, or this person could be blocking his heart. Communication could be blocked here, but this person is acting very defensive. This person is up for fun, like this person wants fun in his life. This person wants to reunite with you because this person feels the connection is real, but This person also feels this person is a waste of time. So if they were having fun with some other person, Gemini, this person feels like that person is a waste of their time, and they feel the connection with you. Yes, this person feels the connection with you definitely, and this person is not up for games. If this was a third party situation, this person is walking away from that situation. This person wants to communicate with you, and this person has passion for you, Gemini. You may receive a text from this person, and someone has been very hurt here. This person is very upset because of the ending, or you guys just are going through some separation here, could be, but this person is very hurt and this person is feeling very alone. This person wants to communicate with you. If this person is definitely feeling very alone and this person is not talking with others, I feel, even if you feel like this person is having fun, but deep down their heart, this, like, they want you, they love you, and they are feeling very alone without you. This person has passion for you. This person wants to start this again with you, and you will be dealing with a Capricorn or someone who is very focused on their work, on their finances, and this person could be very good at their work, but this person want a real deal with you. This person see you as someone like you are their perfect match. You both could be very harsh when you guys get into argument, but this person wants to communicate with you, and this person intends to reach out to you, but this person also want to take his or her time to reach out to you. But definitely this person wants to take action towards you, and the action is getting intimate with you, like physical intimacy. This person will try to fix this with you. This person is wishing for this relationship to heal, and this person could be someone like, this person will give you attention, like will treat you like you are a star. I'm also getting this person will try to heal relationship with you, and there will be a balance in this relationship. There will be a success, there will be a growth in this relationship. This person could be Aries or Scorpio, but this is definitely someone like who likes to control, and this person wants to take action that is good for you, good for them, and good for this relationship. Definitely there will be a communication, and this person will express that this person wants you, but this person will be in control that time as well. I'm also getting this is up to this person, like what this person can change the direction of this relationship, like they have that power. This person could be very dominating, and yes, someone is holding back here, or someone was holding back because there has been an ending. But I feel this person, if rejected you in the past, or you have rejected this person, or this person was feeling like this cannot be fixed, this is very unattainable, this person is willing to put effort in this relationship now. So this is your reading, Gemini. I really hope it helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.